day, everyone. Bill here again to give you some more insight on the King Kutter tiller we use on our farm. We showed an intro on this several weeks ago. However, we have finished the field we're going to seed. We also tilled a wildlife plot and hoped it would give you a clear idea if this tiller suits your needs. Once again, we are using a Kubota L4701 with this King Kutter tiller. We are using a Holystone 600D to film this field being tilled. We are finishing our first pass on this field. This field has not been worked in well over 20 years. Since we have a lot of rocks in the soil, it's important for us not to go too deep. We're going about 2 inches down on the first pass, 3 to 4 inches on the second pass. The Holystone 600D is having no trouble taking some clear video of our project and is easy to control. It is important to remember, however, it does not have obstacle avoidance, so watch out for trees. You'll notice the Kubota L4701 has no trouble breaking the ground up at 540 RPM, and we can move along at a pretty good clip. Take a look at what was tilled last fall. Now that we are on our last pass, you can see the clear difference between what was tilled last fall and then again this spring. Letting the grass rot in for the winter gives you nothing but well-prepped soil to seed. This spring tilling will have grass in the soil. It still works, but you'll get better results if you till in fall, then again in the spring. As promised in our title, we're going to use an Exo BlackHawk 3 drone to show you the finished field. You can see for yourself how stable the video is. Of the drones we own, this one takes the lead on video quality and flight distance. Notice it does a fantastic job with color in the video. This drone also has obstacle avoidance that works very well. From here, you can see the new tilled area. Notice the difference in color from the area tilled last fall. Once again, you'll get much better results if you till once in the fall, then again in the spring. Notice this low area full of water? This is where the 4-wheel drive on the L4701 Kubota really came in handy. The wheels dug in quite deep, but we were still able to till the entire area. Now, we'll use the Exo BlackHawk 3 drone to fly over the nature plot we are going to till up next. You'll notice we have one part of it tilled from last fall. The area that wasn't tilled last fall has not been worked in several years, and as you can see, has a stand of grass there at the moment. We're going to use the Exo BlackHawk 3 again to film this nature plot being tilled. As you can see, the area is surrounded by some thick trees, so locating the area can be tricky from the air. Okay, now that we have located the area, you can see he's already made good progress. He is already on the second pass. Once again, you can see the clear difference between what was pre-tilled last fall to this spring's tilling. You can also see the BlackHawk 3 drone has no trouble hovering and maneuvering as needed for the shot. For those that would like to see some closer shots of this tiller working a nature plot, we took some close-up video. You can hear it hitting rocks and still keeps going. And here is the finished product. You can see it tills the soil, perfect for seeding. We'll make a separate video of the seeding and show you how it progresses over the summer. If you like videos like these, would you please like and subscribe? Until next time, God bless and take care.